Hi everyone, my name's Josh and I'm just going to show off a very brief video of a project that I'm working on at the moment. The idea behind it is to create a free and open source rally navigation computer. This is along a similar styles to products such as Brantz, Terratrip and a video mini cockpit sort of product. To do it I'm using an Arduino development board, which is open source and really fantastic for prototyping and that sort of thing. The other components are Nintendo Wii Nunchuck controller, out of which I'm using the 2 buttons and the analog joystick. I'm not using the accelerometers in it. There's just some connections here on a breadboard, nothing complicated. And I'm also using a 4x20 LCD module. So we'll plug it in. And it'll boot up. Takes just a second to boot. Once it's done, you'll see that we get 2 independent readouts. It's basically running through a simulation routine at the moment that's designed to run off a pulse from a wheel sensor. It uses a fairly standard 3-wire Hall effect sensor, and it's currently pulsing at about 190 kilometers an hour effective, and that's on a 13-inch rim. As you can see, we've got 2 independent counters here. We can move between the various options. We can independently reset one counter and not the other. And all navigation, by the way, is via the analog stick. We can also independently switch between miles and kilometers. And we can also select a count up or a count down. On the right we have a counter for how long it's been since the last reset. We can also switch from time to an average speed. Note that the average speed is affected when you reverse direction. And is also affected by the miles, so it will show average speed in miles or kilometers. That's about all I wanted to show at this stage. The code hasn't been released yet, but if anyone would like it, please just let me know. All this so far has been put together for about probably $100 worth of bits, $100 Australian, if not less. The LCD is probably the most expensive part, along with the Arduino itself. We can also use a larger LCD if this one is too small. There are ones that will give a character size approximately 50% larger than this one, and they are pin compatible, so you can just plug out the current one and plug in a new one. But that's about all I wanted to show for today, so thank you for watching.